Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. So I wanted to share with you how I had packaged the little shopping bag. So this is what I did, and like I mentioned, it is for a swap. So this is how I packaged her little bags, and that's a topper. This is just part of the you know, from the scraps that I was you know, from the paper that I was using. So this is scraps, and all I did was put some of that some of the trim at the bottom, or ribbon, the glittered ribbon, and then I put some green vine on there. And this rosette, someone had sent it to me in a swap, and this comes off one of those little bags. So that's how I packaged her little 4 embellishments, and this is what was required of us to do. So here is the bag that I did following May's tutorial, and that's what we were supposed to do, is follow her tutorial. So this is the bag that I made. This is the back, and it's just got my little ticket on there, and I put some of that glittered ribbon on the sides, on the bottom, and the handles is their paper, but then I put the ribbon on there as well. And I made her, you know, her little hanging tags for her bag. And I put this applique in the center. I put a little butterfly right here flying away from the cluster of flowers. It's got some kind of hidden on in there, but it's got some trim on there. And this is just 2 rows of the glittered ribbon with some flat backs going through the center. And I just put little flat backs right there where the handles meet the purse. And that is going to be my purse to her. And this is, see, it closes with Velcro. So there we go. And let me show you what I have. The only thing that was required was the embellishments, but we were required to put 4 additional items in there. So I have put as much as I can in here. I sent her some flowers, some paper flowers, and again, the topper is just folded over scraps, and it's decorated like the other one, except this one has, you know, a paper flower. And I just love these rosettes. Okay, and then I sent her a bag of gift bags. This package comes from Daiso, and I thought that was so cute when I saw it. So I sent her this package of bags, and then I also sent her some ribbon. So 4 spools of ribbon. The bag topper is just a little bit different because I did forget to put the ribbon under the vine, so I just you know, so it's a little bit different. And then I also sent her a bag with some, it's probably about a yard's worth of pearls, you know, string of pearls. So I sent her that as well. And then I sent her some bling. These are orange and purple, and I know that nothing here is orange and purple, but I kind of wanted to give her a little head start on Halloween. So I sent her that, and all I did was put the ribbon around the, you know, the neck of the bottle, and then cut a 1-inch circle, and then I just put some leaves on there and put a little flower on there and called it a day. So I'm gonna put that one in there as well. And then this little box was a box that I had in my stash, and I was looking for, you know, smaller items to be able to, you know, stuff the purse with. So on this one, I just put some of the paper, you know, covered it with some of the paper, and I just did the lid. The bottom, I left it the way it was. And this is actually a belly band. So I made her a little belly band for her box. And on the belly band, it's got a flower, it's got the leaves, it's got a little butterfly, and one of those little cute little flat backs that I've been putting on my projects. And inside the box is a plethora of buttons, and they're all buttons, but they're different shapes and, you know, sizes, and you know, I have a lot of buttons. So I thought, well, let me share some with her. I don't know if she uses them, but like these are super cute, the wooden ones. And yeah, so I filled a box for her and made the little belly band. And on the belly band, guys, all I did was put a 1-inch circle on the back, glued one to the front, and embellished the top one. That way it gave me a little more space to work on. And that was it, guys. So this is going to be my swap to her. And yeah, I'm going to put May's tutorial in the description box so that you guys can see what I you know, you can follow her and see how she does her purse. And it's really super simple. You know, just a few score lines, a 12 by 12 sheet, and 4 cuts, and that's it. All right, guys, we will talk to you later. Thanks for watching.